What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now in this video of course we've got the 14 Pro Max leather case from Apple. My normal case I always go for every year, and I figured I cannot not bring you a video on this case as it's my go-to all the time. I get cases constantly, as you know, but this is always my go-to no matter what I do. I always take it with me everywhere I go, even if I'm changing cases every now and again. This is always my go-to case, so I figured why not do the unboxing. It was £59 from Apple, and of course up here it says natural leather. I bought it a few days before the phone come out. Space Black 14 Pro Max is right here with that always on display showing off. It's been on for a while now, and I've only lost 1% on battery. As you can see there, it's showing as 70 on the battery percentage, so it's doing quite well, but obviously we'll do more of that in the upcoming videos for the day in the life, etc. So stay tuned for that one. But let's go ahead and let's get the case out. So pull, and out it comes. I was going to go for the ink, but then decided to opt for the midnight one. So shows you a little bit in there about how to put in your phone. Inside here, a little bit of reading material as always, so little tiny bit of reading material there. This case is made with high quality supple leather to protect your iPhone, so let's place that out to one side. Inside the phone again you get that nice suede velvet lining, MagSafe logo in the middle right here, iPhone, where it's designed, assembled in China, etc. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Feels really good. You got a nice raised lip around the camera. Your buttons, cutouts, buttons, cut out for your toggle. So let's go ahead, let's grab the Space Black 14 Pro Max, slide it in as Apple says here, and there we go. Nice and fitted. So there is the midnight on the Space Black iPhone 14 Pro Max. Nice clicky buttons as always, reach in for your toggle. Power button on this side. Phone, obviously place it down. You're going to be able to place it down and not have to worry about it touching the screen. And of course cameras recessed into there, so when you place it down like this, it's also not going to touch. So yeah, this case is on the more expensive side, but it looks really good, feels really good, and of course when it starts to age, it looks amazing with all the scratches and how the black starts to form. So it looks fantastic. I'm absolutely made up with this. I always like when it's new and it feels really good to the touch. But of course, let's do the smell test. Oh my god, smells so good too. But that looks really good. The midnight looks fantastic on the Space Black iPhone 14 Pro Max. Of course they do it for all the other models as well. I'm going to leave all the colours I can find on Amazon linked down below for you guys to check out, so you can check out all the colours for all the phones down below this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's just a quick simple video on the leather case. Feels amazing. That raised lip, obviously, and the raised lip around the front is going to protect your phone, and this is the one that I always go for every single time without fail. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn on those notifications for every video coming up soon. We've got a bunch more to come with this phone. Got a bunch more to come with the Z Fold 4, and of course the S22 Ultra versus 14 Pro Max video. So make sure you stay tuned for those. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all soon. Take care.